Question 1. In order to prevent polyspermy, what is the reaction in the zona pellucida of oocyte after fertilization? A. Acrosomal reaction. B. Cortical reaction. C. Increased membrane potential of the oocyte. D. Decreased membrane potential of the oocyte. Answer is B. After fertilization, the cortical reaction releases enzymes from cortical granules, preventing polyspermy by modifying the zona pellucida. Question 2. SAW taste is mediated by A. TRP channel. B. Metabolic receptor. C. T1R1 GPCR. D. T1R3 GPCR. Answer is A. SAW taste is detected by proton-sensitive TRP, transient receptor potential, channels, particularly TRP-PKD to L1. Question 3. What are the effects of posterior lesion in a Brodmann area 22 in a stroke patient? A. Receptive speech function. B. Visual. C. Expressive speech function. D. Auditory. Answer A. Brodmann area 22, especially in the posterior superior temporal gyrus, vernix area, is involved in understanding language. Damage leads to receptive aphasia. Question 4. Incorrect about iron absorption is A. Ferroreductase convert Fe2+ to Fe3+. B. RBC protoporphyrin increased. C. Iron excretion only through skin, gut, urothelial cells. D. Body cannot compensate if more than 10 milliliters RBC per day is lost in urine. Answer is A. Ferroreductase converts Fe superscript 3 to Fe superscript 2 to facilitate absorption in the intestine. Question 5. In type 2 diabetes mellitus patient, serum insulin levels are found to be raised. He is advised to exercise to improve insulin resistance. Which of the following GLUT will help to improve insulin resistance after exercise? A. GLUT1. B. GLUT2. C. GLUT4. D. GLUT5. Answer is C. Exercise enhances insulin sensitivity by translocating GLUT4 to the cell membrane in skeletal muscles. Question 6. Patient presented with chronic tingling sensation in the forearm. Neurological examination was done. Which of the following receptors are responsible for this? A. Pacinian corpuscle, fast vibration. B. Ruffini, fine touch. C. Merkel, slow vibration. D. Meissner, stretch. Answer is A. Pacinian corpuscles detect high-frequency vibration, which can contribute to sensations like tingling. Question 7. Patient came with puncture wound on left chest wall. Radiological investigations confirmed pneumothorax. Which of the following is correct? A. Lung volume increases, thoracic volume increases. B. Lung volume increases, thoracic volume remains same. C. Lung volume increases, thoracic volume decreases. D. Lung volume decreases, thoracic volume increases. Answer is D. Pneumothorax causes lung collapse, decreased lung volume, while the thoracic cavity may expand due to a lack of negative intrapleural pressure. Question 8. A patient who underwent right limb amputation 2 years back now presents with severe pain in the limb, phantom limb pain. On radiological investigations, what is the finding seen? A. Projection of adjacent fibers to overlap the right somatosensory cortex. B. Projection of adjacent fibers to overlap the left somatosensory cortex. C. Expansion of left somatosensory cortex. D. Expansion of right somatosensory cortex. Answer is B. Phantom limb pain is associated with cortical reorganization. In right limb amputees, adjacent fibers project onto the left somatosensory cortex. Question 9. A 30-year female went on vacation and fell asleep while sitting in a beach. After some time she woke with sunburn. Later when she went back home, she experienced pain while taking warm bath, 40 degrees Celsius. Which of the following receptors is responsible for the pain? A. Innocuous thermal receptor, allodynia. B. Innocuous thermal receptor, hyperalgesia. C. Thermal receptor, allodynia. D. Thermal receptor, hyperalgesia. Answer is A. Pain from non-painful stimuli, like warm water, after sunburn is due to allodynia, involving innocuous thermal receptors. Cortical reaction releases enzymes from cortical granules, preventing polyspermy by modifying the zona pellucida.